Right now, something is happening 93 million miles away that could change life on Earth. The Sun has just entered the most dangerous phase of its 11-year cycle, and scientists are sounding the alarm. If a powerful solar storm hits, your phone, your internet, even your electricity could vanish in seconds. And this is not science fiction, it's happening. And here's what you need to know before it's too late. The Sun doesn't just shine, it breathes. Every 11 years, it enters a new phase, growing more active, more violent, and more unpredictable. Scientists call this solar maximum a peak in solar activity that can trigger massive explosions on the sun's surface, flares and storms powerful enough to knock out satellites, fry power grids, and disrupt our modern world. In the past few months alone, NASA has recorded an explosion of sunspots and solar flares, some more powerful than we have seen in years. On March 2025, a flare erupted with strength of X-class intensity, the most powerful category we know of. It sent a burst of charged particles hurtling towards Earth at 1.5 million miles per hour. When those particles slams into Earth's magnetic field, they can trigger geomagnetic storms, basically auroras, and they are beautiful but also deadly for technology. In 1989, a solar storm knocked out a power across Quebec. In 2012, we had nearly missed a storm so massive it could cause global internet blackout. So why is this happening now? We are entering the peak of solar cycle 25, and it's turning out to be far more extreme than scientists predicted. More flares, more sunspots, more risk, and the most intense activity, it's not even here yet. The peak is expected in late 2025 to 2026, which means the worst might still be coming. So what happens if a direct hit occurs? Now visualize a scenario: satellite glitching, planes grounded, power grids offline, GPS gone, communication system scrambled, power grids overloaded, and the internet. Some experts says we could lose access for weeks or longer. Our world runs on invisible signals, and the sun could wipe them all out in an instant. Now let's be clear, we are not predicting the end of the world, but we are entering a window of increased risk. Governments and space agencies are watching the sun closely, but most people have no idea what's coming. The sun gives us life, but it also holds the power to disrupt everything we depend on. Now in the end, if you found this video informative, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification so you never miss any update on space events. We bring you the latest space discoveries, solar events, and cosmic phenomena so you don't miss out. And comment below, do you think we are prepared for solar disaster? And I'll meet you in the next video.